Hi, I'm Margaret, and welcome to Garden School. Today I wanted to show you a plant I've talked about in a previous podcast a couple years ago, but I just was struck by how gorgeous it is right now and wanted to talk again about the strawberry tree, Arbutus unedo. Let's take a look. So the strawberry tree, I think, is like really an excellent one to be able to put in your landscape if that's possible. And I'll tell you, there's a couple of reasons why. First of all, it's these beautiful glossy leaves. This is an evergreen shrub, and so yes, it's going to drop leaves like a rhododendron would, but it's going to retain its leaves throughout the year, dropping only the old ones as they abscess and drop off. Well, the second cool thing is these flowers, these creamy white flowers that look like a blueberry flower or pieris or the flowers of the Pacific Madrona tree. And that's because those plants, along with the strawberry tree Arbutus unedo, are in the same family, the Ericaceae family. Now here, toward the end of October, you can see this is in full bloom, and there are some plants that are just where the blooms are just beginning. This is going to be in bloom October through December. So it's going to provide a source of nectar for bees and other insects. While I was here, I saw a bumblebee getting some nectar from one of the flowers. And then also birds can get nectar from these too. You know, hummingbird perhaps. Beautiful, beautiful little flowers. Now, another really obvious thing is this fruit here. I mean, the colors, green, yellow, orange, red, all these stages of fruit, of color of the fruit. That's really neat. And the fruit takes 10 to 12 months to mature. So all year round, there's going to be some form of the fruit on the tree, which is really neat, and it provides a food source for birds. Now, a little history lesson here. Back in the 1st century, Pliny the Elder, Roman, famous for many things, scientist, naturalist, poet, he made a statement, unum tantum edo, which translated from the Latin means I only eat one. Now, perhaps that's because it's not a preferred flavor or texture. It's a little gritty. And, you know, here, let's try one here. This one's a really nice soft fruit. It looks just gorgeous. Has a really nice smell. Super soft strawberry, banana, peach. It's a little gritty, but you know what? Fiber and vitamin C and antioxidants. Pretty cool. Well, that phrase, unum tantum edo, was utilized by Linnaeus when he was naming this plant. And so the scientific name, the species name, unedo, comes from that phrase. So a little science trivia for you. Now, the plants here that are placed in this planting strip, they're probably between, well, I'll say 8 and 10 feet tall, something like that. And 10 feet is about going to be, well, actually 30 feet could be the size of one of these, 30 tall by 25 wide. There is another really large strawberry tree near me, and it's getting close to that. But there are some cultivars, one called compacta, that will grow to only about 8 or so feet tall. So that might be more useful in landscaping. And I've even seen that there's a couple others, some even can be used in a planter. So if you're looking for a great plant to put into your landscaping, consider this, the Strawberry Tree Arbutus unedo. It's native to the Mediterranean area, which is makes it kind of drought tolerant in our area here in the Pacific Northwest. It could be really good. It's going to want a sunny location, slightly acid soil, which we have a lot of here in the western part of the Pacific Northwest. Well, anyway, consider it. I hope you do. It's a gorgeous plant, the beautiful leaves, the really darling little flowers, and the curious and attractive fruit. That's the strawberry tree. Well, there's always more to learn in the garden. Bye-bye.